Man, this is great. Look at this. All right, here we go. Aviator Gear. I ordered some patches for my for the program I'm working on. Working on some satellites for Northrop Grumman, and the program we're working on. Thought it'd be a good idea to make some patches for the huge crew that we've got working on this project. So let's check it out. I'm pretty excited about this. Thank you, Aviator Gear. Here we go. Oh man, I got a cup holder. Oh, a koozie, I guess you call it. That's beautiful. Okay. All right, here's the big. Oh man, this is exactly how it looks. This is exactly how it looks on the digital print that I sent them. And it's got Velcro on the back. I didn't even ask for that, but thank you. Man, this is great. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, everybody's gonna love this. Thank you. Thank you, Aviator Gear. And I will be reordering, just to let you know. You should know this already. I already emailed you. Okay, cut.